na nababo kabalin kung sa kayo po. My name is Louie. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out, as well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Queen Ice Craze for this very lovely table. If you want to know more about these products, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Alright, so once again, these products came from Queen Ice Craze. So if you notice, they have quite a bit of products po, no? These are snackers, these are parang mga ready-to-go drinks. So in their menu, meron po silang mga shakes. They also have milk tea. They also have some latte. They also have pizzas, if you notice, dito sa table natin. And burgers. So I wanna taste them, of course, one by one and introduce them to you. Each time natitikman po natin sila, I think I want to go first with their pizza because if you notice, they are very colorful, very lovely, very presentable and appetizing. Ang daming toppings na pwede mong matikman for each bite. Meron po silang Hawaiian and then the other one is the Queen Pizza. So the Queen Pizza, I think, is yung pinaka-signature pizza nila. Alright, so there you have it. Oh man, large onion, some mushroom, we also have ham, meron tayong black olives, some peppers of course, and lots and lots of cheese. Oh wow! Para sa akin, yung dough niya is a little bit thin for me, no? Personally, prefer ko for pizzas is yung thick crust and then medyo malambot na bread yung gusto sa mga pizza. So this one's a little bit thin and crusty, parang mga ganyan. But nonetheless, yeah, I really like the toppings, so we can get away with it. Oh wow! Now this one is their Hawaiian. For pizzas, I think you can never go wrong with Hawaiian. I love the taste of the pineapple, plus yung ham, or yung meat ng Hawaiian pizza natin. Very, very good. Now for the refreshments, they sent us 6 cups. Tell you honestly, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga exact names nila, but through physical observation and as well as siyempre titikman natin, malalaman natin kung ano yung mga flavor nila na. So it has whipped cream on top, meron siyang chocolate chips, Oreo, it has a real mango, plus meron tayong graham, it has some pearls at the bottom, and yung pinaka-refreshment natin is a mango shake. So I think this is part of their shakes naman. Wow! I like those sweet pearls. Medyo, yung lasa niya is yung mga taho, mga arangibal. Yun yung gusto kong lasa niya. Caramel. I think that's the word, sugar caramel. Okay. Wow! Ang sarap! It's very fruity. It's very refreshing. Of course, mango. Masarap! Masarap, guys. Okay. Next is, I think, for this one, based on my observation, so meron din siyang graham, it has whipped cream, it has chocolate chips, dito ko has pearls at the bottom, and I see some parang mga strawberry jam. So let's see if I can guess it right. I want it this time a little bit, stirred. Yan. Okay, let's taste it. Oh yeah, heavy strawberry syrup. Oh, wow. My honest opinion, guys, it's not too sweet. I think it blends very well dun sa strawberry shake natin. Ang isa sa mga panlaban nila dito, their toppings. No? It has a lot of toppings. Napansin ko dun sa mga cups natin dito. Oh man, today is just sugar overload. On my left, I still have 3 cups for me to try. This one is chocolate flavor based sa physical observation pa lang. What I'm really interested in are these 2 cups right here. So this one is, yeah, I gotta find it out, no? So almost the entire refreshment natin is in white. So I am assuming it's milk base or vanilla, parang mga ganyan. Has the same sweet pearls at the bottom. I can see some parang mga Oreo, crushed Oreo din. And then on top, we have some white chocolate chips. Okay, give it a quick stir. Yan. Now this time, yung whipped cream natin, it's actually, it's filling up all over yung cup natin. No? Oh, I guess this is their vanilla white choco. I love it. I think for me to cut a little bit yung sugar natin, I'm gonna go dive in with their burgers. Yung burger nila, imagine guys, this is just 70 pesos. You have your burger, you also have your fries. Now, if you check out their menu, meron po silang mga combo meals. So, for example, this is a pizza or a burger plus shake or a milk tea. I think you can parang shave off around 10 to 15 pesos. Yeah, around ganun yung mga madi-discount nyo if you go for yung mga combo meals nila. Anyway, so let's taste this one. Physical observation, you have your meat patty. It has a melted cheese, some onions, cucumber, lettuce, tomato, and of course yung bun, of course. Alright, let's taste it. Oh wow. Alright, so my initial reaction is, I think this is not yung parang really supreme burger, but for the price, as low as 150 pesos, 140 pesos, you can get your snack or your merienda done with these kinds of products. No? So I want to proceed with their drinks. If I'm not mistaken, this is a matcha, and then this is a blueberry, and then of course kanina sinabi natin that's chocolate. So I want to taste their matcha. So similar with the other refreshment, you have your whipped cream, has chocolate chips, some crushed Oreo cookies, your sweet pearls, and then yung pinaka-refreshment natin, I think this is a matcha shake. No? For me, I think that's a strong matcha taste. No? If you've been following me guys, medyo I stay away from some matcha. Very rare lang talaga yung nakaka-hit dun sa gustong-gusto ko talaga na lasa. For me, this one, I think it's a little bit strong. So, 2 more cups, guys. I'm almost done with my presentation with you. So, once again, we would like to thank Queen Ice Craze. So, meron po silang, ang dami nilang branch actually. So, if you check out their fan page, we're gonna be linking the fan page at the description box below, no? They have a lot of branches. And I believe yung sa DAU nila, DAU branch nila is where you can actually dine in. Yan. So, kung example, you are a little bit far from DAU, they actually deliver anywhere here in Pampanga. Okay, so this one is their chocolate. Oh wow, dark chocolate. I think based on my personal opinion, for me it's a little bit sweet. Para sa akin, medyo sweet siya. Lastly, I'm not really sure of, but based on the observation, as I told you all earlier, I think this is a blueberry. Oh yeah, it is blueberry. Very, very refreshing, guys. Wow. I'm gonna finish this off with my family. I'm gonna share my snacks with them. So again, if you're interested to know more about Queen Ice Craze, make sure to check out their fan page. Very, very affordable, guys. As low as 140 pesos, you can have your snack paired with either a burger, a pizza, plus these refreshments. Grabe, you're done with the day. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give it a thumbs up or you share it with your friends. On our next video, I hope to see you there. Until then, please stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye guys.